What's up, guys? Phil Havoc here. On a little duck hunt this afternoon. Nice and snowy out. Ducks are just loving this field. So yeah, hopefully we'll do a dirty and get a limit on them.
Well guys, we just got set up here. We got some ducks buzzing in right now, but we're gonna get to shooting here soon. And we'll catch your first flock.
Shoot the green. Shoot that greenhead. Good shot, good shot. On that left side. Might have to open it. I would fucking left side.
Yeah, left side, shoot into those. On the ground, whack them.
Alrighty guys, so ducks are wanting to land off to the left side. Kind of doing side shoot here. So we're going to move the decoys around. Try and get them to land right in front of us. Hopefully they do her greasy. So,
If they keep doing that,
yeah.
they probably could. Shoot it.
That's a hit. I want to see a sprint.
Kill them. All three were drakes, weren't they?
I think so.
Yeah. All three of those were drakes. Shoot up. Kill him.
Hen. All f***ing hens.
That was a drake. That's
Yeah.
a drake.
Yeah, some nice freaking greenheads.
Oh yeah, boys.
Yeah,
Northerners.
nice color on them.
Yeah.
Alright, let's get back in. Shoot out.
Alright, so the problem we have right now is that birds are landing on the left side. So we're just gonna, since we're doing a side shoot, we're just gonna move most of the spread over to the right a little bit. And so yeah, hopefully they do a greasy. Here we go.
Shoot him.
Buddy, what's a high five? Yeah. Yes, sir.
We got a couple Susie.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, boys.
Susie, what?
Shoot out.
Get him!
No. I think next time that it happens, if they're low enough and they're straight over the top, we're taking the shot. Kill him, kill him, kill him. Shoot him.
What do you got there, Newt?
Oh, greenies,
Well,
baby.
green, baby, green.
Shoot him.
Woo! Boys.
Mallards in the snow, boys.
Yee. What do you think, Poppy?
It's working.
Oh yeah.
Little buff.
Yee.
Only one drake.
You guys can shoot that
Shoot
drake.
that drake. Kill it. That was not the drake. How did I get the one behind it? Shoot at him. Shoot at him. Oh.
Wow! Wow! Someone dropped his ass. Yep.
Alright guys, just got wrapped up here. Ended with 10-man limit of mallards and a few pintails. Snow is really coming down now, but ducks just did it dirty. And so yeah, it's a great hunt. We're gonna get out of here and we'll catch you next time.
Woo!